I'm Graham Clark, Head of Product Delivery here at Inflo, and I'm super excited about Inflo's Cognition event in January 2023, where I'll be presenting on day one alongside Inflo CEO Mark Edmondson and Inflo's strategic advisor Chris Potter. I'm looking forward to sharing with you Inflo's product highlights from 2022, our new advancements and our continual improvements. I'm also excited to communicate Inflo's 2023 plans and roadmap, sharing some exciting insight on what we'll be working on next and what you can expect from Inflo in 2023. I'll also be covering some strategic opportunities, so covering how accounting firms can better leverage technology to their strategic advantage, but also how technology can be a true differentiator for accounting firms. So make sure you save the date in the diary, and I'll see you in the new year.